guys, to a new diorama. We're gonna be doing a brick wall, which is a lot of ways to do brick walls. We're gonna do our own, see how it goes, if we like it or not, and we'll go from there. So for this one, we're gonna be using the heat pan or the foam coater, and basically I just did a little bit right there. You can see basically how it's gonna be. We're gonna find our little piece where we want to stop, how we want to set it. This is gonna be a wall, so probably gonna be a little broken down. And yeah, guys, follow up.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, as you can see, I just did a little bit right here. I had to put up the ruler just so I can go more straight, because the cutting pan takes you side to side, is not really straight. So yeah guys, just remember, when you're doing a brick wall, it's your brick wall. You can make it as neat and detailed as much as you can, as straight as you can, or you can make it more messy, because depending on the diorama you're making. But yeah, the sizes, I pretty much use like about 1 inch, do a little bit below the inch separation between the bricks, and basically just follow the straight line. That way I can make small bricks or big bricks depending on what I'm trying to build. So for this one, there shouldn't be more than like a little bit over ½ inch in between, and then the cuts just about 1 inch. But yeah guys, keep on going, and then we're gonna cut this wall to sizes. We're gonna make sure we make a little scene diorama for it. I'm not too sure really what we're gonna make, if it's gonna be all building like or federal wise, but we're gonna go with it. Alright guys, so we're done with our 2 little sections so far. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a Mod Podge so we can seal it, and then we can paint it out. Now we added the Mod Podge, we're just gonna let it dry for a couple minutes, and we're coming right back to it. See how we're gonna end up painting it a little bit, and then do the next.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so it's already dry. Should be good enough. Just to seal it, just to prevent a little bit of the paint to go to waste. And let's combine some colors. I got a warm red and regular brown. We'll see what comes out of it. I just try to make it look a little bit like actual brick. Let's make it happen. Okay guys, so I think we came up with a pretty decent color. We're gonna let this one dry. We're gonna do a second coat, but before that we're also gonna paint in between, so we can give that concrete aspect. Then the second coat, so it can be more realistic. Alright guys, so the first coat is now dry. We're about to do the concrete in the middle, and then we'll do the second coat. Guys, we're done with our brick wall. So that's basically how we did it. You gotta be patient with it, especially when painting. It takes a few minutes, but yeah, you can tell it looks pretty good, a little bit realistic. Still a few missing sections right there, but it's easy to fix. This one is not all the way done, but pretty much will look the same as this one. So yeah guys, if you got any questions, just hit a comment button. Don't forget to subscribe.